Alright, so I already clean it up. That where the water pump goes. So nice and clean. So I use razor blade this one. And then also I will use some sandpaper. This is the new water pump. I did put this 90-minute sealant. So there's a gasket in there, and then put some sealant. Let's put it on. Alright, so new water pump. That's the new water pump. So pretty much we're almost done. So next one, pulley. Your pulley. So this is your pulley look like. Same. So put this one over here and this one over here. That's it. Like that. Right, the pulley is in right there. That's the pulley, but I haven't put the spring yet. That's the spring right there. Now let's put on the belt. Right, belt is in, but I haven't put the spring yet. Now let's put the thing, the spring right there, the spring. Okay, this is how you put that, spring. See this? There you go. It's in. Alright, that's it. It's really tight. So that's the marking. So just make sure marking is in, like I said. There's also the white right there. The white's really tough to show it to you, but trust me, it's already aligned. Already tighten that pulley. It's already tight. That's your water pump right there. So pretty much we are done. I'm not gonna show you anymore putting back all the screws, because it's just, putting back together. Just double checking it. I guess that's it. I'll put everything back and start the car, and then I'm just gonna show you the after result. Okay. Alright, so everything is back. And also it's the coolant. Now, moment of truth. Let's start the car and let's see if it will start. Now, of course, it will start. Alright, start the car. Oh yeah, nice. That's good. Nice one. Alright, so there you go, guys. That's how you replace timing belt for 1993 Honda Civic. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. Idle is a little bit high, but that's okay. Later on it will go down. It's 2000 RPM. Now it's going down. It's going down. Yeah, that's normal. It's an old car. There's no ayak on it. There's no leak.